In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Figma for free. We'll keep this simple and fast, and I'll add a few tips along the way so you can work confidently. Start in any open Figma file. At the top of your screen, look for the small action or resources icon in the toolbar. This button opens the place where you can search Figma's community resources. Click it to bring up the panel. When the panel opens, switch to the section labeled Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find tools that extend Figma's capabilities. If you don't see it right away, look for tabs or a sidebar in the panel, and make sure you're on the Plugins and Widgets view, rather than components or libraries. This helps you search the right catalog. Use the search bar in that panel and type the word icons. Figma will filter results as you type, showing a list of icon-related plugins and widgets. You're essentially telling Figma, "Show me tools that provide icons," which narrows things down quickly. From the results, click on Icons 8. Icons, illustrations, photos. This plugin is popular, straightforward, and gives you access to a large library right inside Figma. Once it opens, you'll see a search field and a gallery of styles. If you're working toward a certain look, note the style labels, like outline, filled, or rounded, so your set feels consistent across your design. Now browse and select the icon you like. Use clear keywords such as home, search, menu, or arrow left to find what you need. Preview a few options to match your project's tone. Simple outlines are great for clean interfaces, while filled icons can create stronger emphasis. When you click an icon, the plugin will insert it directly onto your canvas. It will usually appear near the center of your current view, ready to move and scale. Once the icon is on your canvas, keep a few practical tips in mind. Resize proportionally by dragging from a corner. Hold Shift if needed to keep the aspect ratio intact. If the icon is vector, you can adjust its fill color in the right-hand panel to match your palette. Aim for consistency by sticking to one icon family throughout a project, and check that sizes and stroke weights match across your set. For sharp results on interfaces, align icons to whole pixels and use even sizes like 16, 20, 24, or 32. Finally, give layers clear names so you can find them later and keep your file organized as your library grows. That's it. You've added free icons to Figma with a reliable plugin, and you're ready to design faster with a clean, consistent icon set.